think I'm gonna be a vlogger. Oh look, this is Tanger Outlets. Cabela's always has tannerite if you're looking. If you live in Phoenix and you need tannerite, they've always got piles of tannerite. And where I usually go, they sold out. Tombstone Tactical. Shout out. Hashtag Tombstone Tactical. Hashtag Cabela's. Hashtag Bass Pro. Hashtag Second Amendment rights. Hashtag Dutch Rose. Hashtag Tanger.
It's green.
Oh, hashtag it's green.
Hashtag bad driver.
Hashtag Tesla sucks. And their truck will never be as good as mine.
Hashtag roll call.
Hashtag diesel for life.
Hashtag that's a truck.
Hashtag nah, that's a jack. Hashtag world's foremost outfitter. Look guys, all you gamblers out there, another casino for you to waste money at. Desert Diamond. Supposedly, according to Eric.
It says right there.
Oh well, I can't read, I'm driving. So, I don't know if anybody cares, but Phoenix got some snow, and you can see it here on the mountains in front of us. We're on the 101 loop north here, going into Peoria. Anyway, yeah, look, that's... What mountains are those? Is that White Tanks? It's not White Tanks. Anyway, that's northwest. That's like up in Peoria. That's by Lake Pleasant. They got snow. Scottsdale got snow. Carefree got snow. Kingman, I know, got at least a foot of snow, if not a little bit more than that. And Flagstaff broke a 103-year-old record for most snow in 24 hours, and it was like 33 inches or 36 inches, which is a lot. So all you East Coasters out there, you're missing out on one of America's greatest inventions. In and out. Okay, so now we've gotten our in and out, and we're heading to Table Mesa, which in North Phoenix is one of the only places to really go shooting, besides Lake Pleasant. And here you can see we're coming towards Anthem. There's a lot of snow on the mountains up here in Carefree, which is really weird because I don't think I've ever seen snow here, and I've lived in Phoenix for 8 years, so maybe we'll see some snow on Table Mesa because we're kind of going up that way. I guess we'll see. And apparently a double-double is not good enough for Eric because he went and got a fucking 4x4. Which, you know...
This is for pussies.
And, but he didn't get it animal style, so he's a pussy. But...
I like onions.
That's another video we can talk about, Eric. Table Mesa Road. With snow in the background. Could be a muddy mess, too.
Oh, there's already people there.
Oh, fuck. Really?
Yeah. Going through the wash. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Oh yeah, it's like 6 inches deep. Baby.
Where we're going, we don't need roads. I knew there was a reason I lifted this thing.
It's just melted out the front.
Should, huh? Well, driving through water again. Oh. There's some mud. Oh, nice. Yeah, right up here, right? On the left?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fucking guy there. Jesus. Okay, we found a spot. There's a lot of junk out here. Got a good backdrop. Really impressed, man. This thing didn't slip at all in the mud. Alright, you pull, I'll push.
It's not like you need to be worried about damaging it.
Huh?
You're recording?
Yeah.
This is how you unload the fridge. Is there still ice in there?
No, it's the glass shells.
Oh, they're gone.
Huh?
They're gone. You're doing the tire thing. Play football. Look. You broke the handle. It's gonna kill your restart. You have to do it twice again.
Okay, it's my new Model 19X Glock. It's got a 17+1 9mm round mag. And one in the chamber. First shots in my old fridge. Oh, the one that we found out here. That somebody left. This is like 50 yards.
It's not on the screen.
It's okay, it's recording. Nope.
What?
Putting the muffs on. These suck. Microwave. Did you see I hit the microwave?
Yeah.
That was cool. Oops. Alright, so see my in and out. Got the I don't know if you can see Springfield was it Springfield M1A Socom 16. Eric's gonna shoot it. And we're gonna start him out with 10 rounds. Comes with this factory and a 20 round. So you just put it in like that, and then you rock it back and you hammer it in. Dude, you hit me with the brass. Oh, step forward a little bit. I don't want it to hit my truck. All right, I'll stand over here. Fuck that fridge. And it locks open. And so it's chambered open, you're empty. And you pull that back, safe. And then if you want to release the mag, just do that. Good to go.
Kill some more terrorists.
What'd you think?
Strong.
Or I'm gonna hit it. So I like to put my left elbow in this so I can get some tension. And that's how you use a sling on one of these. So I've got a 20 rounder. You put it in like that. It's in. And then you just good to go. Let's go look. Alright, so we fired off 30 rounds of 308 Winchester. Mostly at the fridge. I shot some at the microwave. And we also shot 17 rounds of 9. So there should be 47 holes if we hit every time. Between here and here. Yeah, it looks like that's broken. Let's see the back. Oh yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So there's like 35, 36 plus whatever was over here. 44. So we pretty much hit it every time. It looks like. Got one through the king. Yeah. Doing some damage. Let's see, is the ice maker still in there? Yeah, ice maker's still in there. Did we hit the Coors Light?
I don't know. I'm leaking.
Alright. Shoot it some more. Alright, Eric. So Eric's got the Century Arms C39 V2 AK with the Magpul stock. It's folding. And he's going to shoot this. This is what, the second time you shot it?
Yeah.
Comes with these 30 round Magpul banana clips. And the same thing on this one. So you put it in like that. And then you rock it up and it locks in. And when you're done, you'll just drop that and you're ready to shoot. You want to fold this chamber one before you fold the stock. So just drop that down. Pull that down. Alright, and then fold the stock is the button here. There you go. And then you're ready to fire.
So I just hold like this.
Yeah.
I think I kick back.
Huh?
Kick back or no? Not really. You want me to do the whole clip and we'll load it for you? Just some of the clip.
Huh?
Do you want me to do the whole clip?
Yeah, sure. I got more rounds. Are you shooting at the fridge?
Yeah. We're gonna shoot the microwave. How do you extend this?
So you just grab it with your, pull down with your index finger.
Perfect.
Same gun, CV39. We'll put one in the chamber. I'm scared they're gonna go off. 30 round mag.
Nigerian fighter. There's a truck right there. Behind us. Like watching.
Oh, it's that same Jeep.
No, but there's an actual truck.
Oh, the black truck?
Yeah.
He probably wants to shoot. Alright, we're gonna go look. So this is after like, what, 60 more rounds with the AK? Doesn't look like we did a lot of hitting though. Oh, the doors were open though, that's why. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of the rounds right there. This door wasn't closed though. That's why there's only like 3 holes in the back of it. That door wasn't. None of the doors were closed. You think we hit the compressor?
Probably.
In the Freon tank? This guy's gonna be on Craigslist if you want to buy it. $200 OBO.
That was the one that we shot earlier, the first one, the loudest, or is your AR louder?
I think that 308 is loudest. Side a little bit, yeah. So this is, oh, I forgot about the blue thing, dude. Hasn't been hit yet. I'm gonna try and hit that. Yeah, this microwave.
Be on Craigslist.
Be on Craigslist for sale soon.
What was the big piece of plastic that was
Huh?
I saw a big piece of plastic.
Dude, I hit the button, but I
hit this thing.
Look at the back of this thing. Oh yeah. Yeah, this stuff was all flying off. I'm like, this used to be here, huh?
Other way, I think.
Yeah. There used to be a screen here. So Eric's going to shoot the PS90S, so you just put it in like that, and this is the safety, so it's on S, and then you just, and then you want to, it's ambidextrous, so either side you just pull it back, chamber around, take it off safety. Yeah, and it ejects out the bottom, so it doesn't throw brass at people. So you just put your hand like this, and then your left hand up here, put it in your shoulder. And then when you're ready, chamber the round, and then take it off safety. Ready to shoot.
I said I'm so used to shooting the big ones that this is like nothing.
It's like shooting a pistol.
I was trying to shoot the stickers.
I just sighted this thing in, so it should be pretty accurate. That's it. And to eject the mag, you put it on safe, eject the mag, you pull these back, and then pop it up. And then you can check the chamber, just pull back on that and look in there. Nah. There you go. 44 mag, 357 mag.
It's all good, man. It's all good.
What are you shooting at?
I was shooting at the microwave.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm going to shoot the King's shock stickers.
Yep. I don't want to see it already. Top right.
Now I'm shooting the King. What else should I shoot in there?
All right, Eric shooting the Model 29, and you can do the same thing with the hammer on this one. It's easier.
That's quite a kick.
Yeah. Hey, push the plunger. You like it?
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.